What you are seeing there is a pride of lions trying to bring down a buffalo for their lunch. A single buffalo weighs half a ton and is very strong enough to gore a lion into the thin air, especially when provoked. A buffalo is just too strong and can inflict a wound that will kill a lion. But this scenario is different. This buffalo is about to be brought down by a pride of lions for their lunch. They are doing their very best to bring down the buffalo, and the buffalo is struggling for its survival, crying and doing its best, and something mysteriously happens. Look at it yourself. Look at it again. Wow. There's a lot of lesson I want us to learn from this incident. No matter how strong you are, no matter how rich you are, no matter how intelligent you are, no matter how wealthy you are, no matter how powerful you are, no matter how assured you are, no matter how God-fearing you are, always invest in your social capital. Be it your son, your daughter, your father or your mother, your friends, your colleagues, your business partners.
The delegation is coming.
True enough, the world is wicked and full of treachery, but without social capital, there is nothing we can do in the face of enemies. Learn from the buffaloes. Always invest in your social capital. In the face of an enemy, those are the only people who are going to save you. My name is Nkwain Sam for Nkwain Sam Capacitation Center.